Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to add or remove new email account on iPhone Mail app in iOS 18. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution number 1. Add multiple accounts. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on apps. On the apps page, scroll down, tap on mail. On the mail app page, tap on mail accounts. Tap on add account. Select email service. Enter your new email. Tap on next. Enter your password. Now tap on done. Tap continue. iOS wants access to your Google account and tap on continue. Tap on the save at the top right corner. Now see the recently added Gmail account inbox appear on the mail app. Solution number 2. Remove mail account. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on apps. On the apps page, tap on mail app. Tap mail account. Tap Gmail. Tap on delete account. Confirm with delete account. Thanks for watching this video.